Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn Omegle into an Omegle style experience. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for Umingle and install this extension. Once that's done, open a new tab and go to the Umingle website. Then make sure the extension is turned on. Now, click on video and you will see that Omegle looks like Omegle. You will also notice your country, the Omegle style layout and a language option as well. The best part is when you select English or any single language, you will only be connected with people who use that language and others will be skipped automatically. Give it a try and see how it works. I hope this video helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.